Airshow 2025.
Hi, Mike.
It's showtime.
ندخل معكم الآن إلى مقاتلة الجيل الخامس الأحدث في العالم، طائرة F-35، أيقونة التخفي والتكنولوجيا المتقدمة، مع المعلقين جيفري ويفز ودينا. Join the show. The mic is yours.
Good for me. Major Cruiser is now executing her half-Cuban 8 at a stunning 50-degree angle of attack. This is a first of its kind maneuver unique to the F-35 demo team. The F-35 has a superior advantage in combat due to its adversary's reduced ability to detect the jet through the use of stealth technology. In order to remain covert, you must maintain a clean profile by carrying your missiles and bombs internally. With an internal payload capacity of over 6,000 pounds, the F-35A is the most lethal multi-role fighter jet in the world. If you ever wonder where those bombs and missiles hide, here is your answer.
Get like me. Get like me. Get like me.
The team commander and pilot for today's flight is Major Melanie Mott Klusner. Mott comes from a military family but was born and raised in Memphis, Tennessee. She's a veteran combat fighter pilot with more than 1,100 hours in fighter jet aircraft. The F-35A possesses the capability to reach speeds 1.6 times the speed of sound, which equates to nearly 1,200 miles per hour. Today will showcase just a fraction of that engine's capability. Watch now as Major Cruiser accelerates to just below the speed of sounds, covering an incredible 3 football fields per second. If that wasn't impressive enough, she would then pull back on the stick and catapult the Lightning II from 300 feet to over 3 miles. Ladies and gentlemen, prepare for Freedom's Thunder on the High Speed Pass.
Turn up the radio, blast the stereo, right? Come on. No.
In a dogfight, combat maneuverability is crucial. The Lightning II's advanced flight controls combined with its powerful engine give the F-35 an impressive 1,500-foot turn radius. As Major Cruiser approaches show center, she will light the afterburner and bank sharply, pressing her into the seat with up to 9 Gs or 9 times the force of gravity. After completing the turn, the F-35 will power straight up into the vertical and then quickly change direction, flipping end over end in a maneuver we like to call the Lightning Loop. From your right, the Lightning II's combat radius turn. will now demonstrate the Lightning II's crisp agility in handling. Notice as she makes her approach, she is in the inverted position. As she reaches show center, she will complete a 360-degree roll and finish the pass inverted. Coming in from your left, Major Cruiser performing the inverted to inverted pass. The F-35 possesses the incredible ability to point its nose at will in a dogfight. Watch closely as the jet climbs more than a mile into the vertical and completes the lightning loop. And then, while under complete control and without thrust vectoring, Major Cruiser will execute a full 360-degree flat turn. Ladies and gentlemen, the Lightning II's pedal turn. Watch now as Major Cruiser flies across the aerobatic container and traces a square in the sky. As she reaches the top of the loop, she will remain inverted and reduce the speed of the aircraft to just over 100 knots. Coming from your left, the F-35 performing the unique square loop. The ability to maintain slow speed flight is crucial in combat. The potent combination of sophisticated flight controls coupled with the most powerful fighter engine ever built make it possible to reduce the F-35 speed to less than 100 knots. Coming from your right, Major Cruiser will demonstrate the F-35's slow speed capability. And then, just as she approaches show center, you'll once again feel the raw power of the engine as she lights the afterburner and accelerates the aircraft into a near vertical climb.
Now, baby, that's right. We got nothing but time. You get out the reaction. You're the main attraction. It's no surprise. Gotta like your style. You're the perfect distraction. You're the main attraction.
Don't look away yet. As Major Cruiser reaches the peak of her climb, she will go inverted and reposition the aircraft by performing a split S. As she returns to show center, she will then accelerate rapidly and snap the F-35 through a series of aileron rolls to demonstrate the Lightning II's impressive roll maneuverability. Dropping in from your left, Major Klusner executing the opposing roles.
I think it's very vital.
As the most technologically advanced fighter aircraft in the world, the F-35's flight controls give our pilots a distinct advantage to outmaneuver their opponents. As Major Klusner approaches Show Center, she will complete more than 135 degrees of heading change in 3 seconds. Slide the 10 of the F-35 through the turn, and then powerfully climb out of the maneuver. Closing in from your right, ladies and gentlemen, the tactical pitch. F-35 Demonstration Team Chief Technical Sergeant Jeffrey Williams from Mobile, Alabama, joined today by our Superintendent Captain Danilo Nalvo from Fairbanks, Alaska. We'd like to thank our excellent maintenance team as we prepare for landing over here. So our F-35 Dedicated Crew Chief Staff Sergeant Jacob Sackett from Benicia, California, Staff Sergeant Jesse Easley from Houston, Texas, Senior Airman Braden Bissell from Cedar Rapids, Iowa, Senior Airman Tyler Valini from Arroyo Grande, California, our Aircrew Flight Equipment Specialist, Senior Airman Lufin View from Fresno, California, and our team public affairs advisors, First Lieutenant Emma McHenry from Naples, Florida, and Senior Airman Nick Rupiper from Santa Rosa, California. This concludes today's demonstration. We hope you've enjoyed this brief display of only a fraction of the F-35's full combat capability. On behalf of your United States